Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to speak about how to attract tons of traffic to your website or blog. Right. We will learn how we can attract website visitors to our website. Today, we are not going to discuss any specific step to attract traffic to our blog, but we will learn how we can set up the funnel to attract the visitors and make them customers. There are many strategy and tactics to drive traffic, but in today's video we are just going to look at the overall framework and strategy you need to drive traffic to your website. So as we know, there are many bloggers and site owners who only focus on the traffic part. They always try to implement different steps, but if you are also doing it without having a long-term strategy in mind, you might not be able to scale up your business. So whatever I am going to discuss today is from my own experience by managing multiple websites and trying to drive traffic to different companies who are my clients. One thing I understood about traffic after so many years is that you need to get an ROI for your traffic. If you set up an ROI system where every dollar has spent to get visitors to your site, you are making more than $1 back, then you can go ahead and scale up your traffic as much as possible and as much as you want. So by the end of this video, this concept is going to be very clear for you, and after that you will be in a position to go ahead and use different tools to get the traffic. Traffic will not be your problem if you understand the concept taught in this video. So let's look at what does traffic means to your website in the first place. You have something remarkable, you have something worthy of attention. It could be an article, could be a tool, could be an image, could be an interaction, or could be an experience. You will only get attention if you have something worthy of their attention. So here your website visitors are your target audience. I want you to think about traffic in terms of attention or quality attention. You are not getting someone else's attention because you have something worthy of their attention and something useful to them. So that is what website traffic is meant for you. Traffic is not the number of impressions, the number of users, or the number of page views that you have for your blog. These are attention from real human beings who are having real life out there. Every human being is a real person. They are not just a number in your website analytics. So now let's think about how you can you afford to spend money to get traffic, or can you spend money to get other people's attention? To do so, you need to create something worthy of their attention. You have to create something like content, tool, or experience, and for that you need to spend time, money, and energy to create. There is no such thing as free traffic. For everything you are spending either money, or either your time, or either your energy, or sometimes all of the three you need to create something worthy. You need to go ahead and spend on paid ads if you want to boost the amount of attention that you are getting without expanding the amount of content that you create. And if you generate enough content and spend enough money on the advertisement, you can get all the traffic in the world that you want. There is no such thing as traffic problem. If you go ahead and create enough content, you can get traffic. But the only question is that, are you able to spend money on this traffic? Because whether it's paid ad or organic traffic, you need to spend money or time or energy to get this, and there needs to be an ROI in the amount of time, energy, or money you spend. What we need to do is we need to make sure that traffic is paying for itself. If you create content, it should pay for it. If you get traffic from paid ads, it should be worthy of driving that paid traffic. The traffic is attention. Attention means that they will likely buy something from you. You can monetize the traffic with display ads where others are selling their products and services. You can monetize the traffic with affiliate marketing where you are selling products and services. Or you can sell your products and services, which is my favorite method. You need to make sure that the traffic is paying for itself, and that is the only traffic problem that you need to solve. Let me give you a thought experiment. Assume that I'm going to give you 1 crore Indian rupees, and assume that I'm going to ask you to build traffic to your website. So how will you invest it? Now let's say you will invest maybe 20% on content, 20% on design, 20% on paid ads, and another 20% on branding, and the last 20% may include hosting, SEO and other stuff. So here the 20% amount is 2 lakh rupees. If you are investing here 20% amount is 20 lakh rupees. If you are investing 20 lakh rupees, you can get 1,000 high quality articles to publish on your website. If you invest the same 20 lakh rupees on your paid ads, you will get 2 lakh visitors on rupees 10 per click. So here what I need to make you think is that if you are investing 1 crore rupees, how will you get ROI on that amount? So if you earn more than 1 crore rupees from this traffic, your investment of this amount won't be a problem. So there is no such thing as traffic problem. There is a funnel problem or system problem on how you will get ROI on that traffic. So now let's see this. If you have enough money and time, you will always be able to create content, go ahead with paid ads and get results. The problem is that if you are not going to make sure that your investment is coming back in terms of revenue by selling affiliate products or AdSense revenue, or let's say by selling your products and services, then you are not going to be able to sustain this entire traffic model where you are driving this traffic to your website. So you need to think from that angle if you want to be a very successful digital marketer. As we have already discussed, there is no such thing as free traffic. You need to invest time, energy and money in content creation to get traffic. If you cannot get an ROI on content creation, you cannot keep doing what you do. The only way you can keep doing what you do is that someone keeps giving you free money, and that is not practical in today's world. If you get ROI, then traffic generation is not a problem. If you can convert your traffic into sales, then you can make revenue. Then you can go ahead and do all this thing. Then traffic generation is not going to be a problem for you anymore. So before we get into different tactics of traffic generation, always keep in mind to generate revenue from the traffic to keep moving ahead. Thank you. You can get this PDF on my blog or in the description of this video, and you can join my Telegram group to learn digital marketing for free. Thank you very much, guys.